Article 150 Occurrence Canon 2447 Occurrence is a collection of two or more instances of Euclidean time experienced by one or more observers in accordance with the canons of natural law. Canon 2448 Euclidean time is the first, primary and true measuring system of time and space. Therefore any and all other time and measurement system is a derivative from Euclidean time. Canon 2449 as Euclidean time is the oldest, the first and only true measurement system of time and space in accordance with valid divine law, natural law and positive law. All claims by any person, aggregate, corporation or other body to own or control any aspect of time and space is a fraud and null and void from the beginning. Canon 2450 The collection of instances representing an occurrence is always a relative approximation and always present Euclidean time forward in sequential order. Backward time as an occurrence does not exist, nor is possible. Canon 2451 No two observers may experience Euclidean time under exactly the same conditions and location, therefore no two observers will have the precise same experience of an occurrence. Therefore, even in the presence of fact and evidence, there is no absolute truth of experience or memory, a singular collective occurrence. Article 151 Instance Canon 2452 Instance is the unique experience of a present instant of Euclidean time by a single observer. A collection of instances by one or more observers represents an occurrence. Canon 2453 No two observers may experience time under exactly the same conditions and location, therefore no two observers will have the precise same experience of an instant. Canon 2454 The perceived duration of an instance is relative. The greater the density of objects and interactions, the shorter an instance will appear. The lesser the density of objects and interactions, the longer an instance will appear. Article 152 Drama Canon 2455 A drama is a composition and enactment of two or more occurrences as scenes, real or imagined, performed by one or more actors and spectators representing themselves or the characters of the plot and the alleged dialogue. Canon 2456 The word drama is derived from the ancient Greek word drama, meaning action or deed. The word did not acquire its formal meaning as an act, theatrical play, a fictional composition under the mind influence system of the Jesuits deployed through the Shakespeare folio in the late 16th century. Prior to this time, dating back to ancient Greece, ancient Greek plays were known as tragedy from tragoidia, comedy from komoidia, and satire, satirica. Canon 2457 The most significant formal aspect of drama both in fictional plays and legal drama is the adoption of a classic three-act structure of three parts being the setup, confrontation and the resolution. Canon 2458 The first act of a drama is usually to establish the main characters, their relationships and the pressing controversy that confronts the main character, protagonist. The first act usually ends upon the first dramatic turning point where the full crucible facing the protagonist is laid bare by the antagonist. Canon 2459 The second act of a drama, also referred to as rising action, normally sees the protagonist respond to the crucible in some form of defensive attack. However, the efforts only normally make things worse as the antagonists appear superior in skill, in knowledge, while the protagonist struggles to find their competence that can only be solved through a higher sense of self-awareness, or epinoia. Canon 2460 The third and final act of a drama sees the resolution of the story. The climax, also known as the second dramatic turning point, is when all the outstanding threads of the story are brought to their most intense moment and the key questions resolved, leaving the protagonist and other characters with the benefit of knowledge of hindsight and self-awareness. Canon 2461 Unlike other forms of fiction, drama in the classic Greek style of tragedy often ends with the protagonist suffering some great loss, sacrifice, punishment or even death at the end of the third act. Canon 2462 When applied to a court matter, The first dramatic turning point is the plea and the second dramatic turning point or climax is the verdict. Article 153 Scene Canon 2463. A scene is a composition, assemblage and enactment of the place, time, objects, characters, circumstance and actions of an occurrence, real or imagined, forming a key element of a drama. Canon 2464. The word scene is derived from the ancient Greek, skene, meaning the part of a theatre, stage, on which the acting is normally performed. Canon 2465. In a classic three-act drama, the number of scenes per act may vary. However, the general average appears to be at least 2 and less than 8, with each scene representing a different period of time, circumstance and context. Article 154. Dramatis Personae. Canon 2466. The Dramatis Personae is a list of the characters of a drama, arranged in order of first appearance. Canon 2467. The phrase is constructed from two Latin words being dramatis meaning drama, play and personae being the plural of person or persons. Article 155. Party. Canon 2468. A party is one or more persons constituting a particular position, stand, opinion, or action of the plot and scene of the drama, usually in distinction to another party named in the drama. Canon 2469. The word party originates from the Latin word partus meaning share, fraction, side, direction, respect, degree, role, duty, function. Canon 2470. As a drama is recreation of occurrences, it is possible that the affiliation of one or more persons constituting a party may differ from the original occurrence, particularly when allegiances may change. Article 156. Spectator. Canon 2471. A spectator is one who observed, watched, rather than participated in one or more occurrences, recreated through a drama that may or may not come forward in the character of a witness. Canon 2472. The word spectator originates from the Latin word spectator of the same name and meaning. Article 157. Actor. Canon 2473. An actor is one who plays the character of an active participant rather than spectator of one or more alleged occurrences, real or imagined, recreated through a drama. Canon 2474. The word actor comes from the ancient Greek word actor, meaning a leading performer. Canon 2475. The role of an actor may be performed by an original person alleged to have participated in the occurrence, or by a person whose profession is as an actor, or hobby is being an actor. Article 158. Protagonist. Canon 2476. The protagonist is the main character of a drama, representing a leading person in a contest, its principal performer. Canon 2477. The word protagonist originates from ancient Greek word, protagonists, meaning a chief actor, itself from, protos, meaning first and, agonists, meaning actor, competitor. Canon 2478. The role of protagonist may be performed by an original person alleged to have participated in the occurrence, or by a person whose profession is as an actor, or hobby is being an actor. Article 159. Antagonist. Canon 2479. An antagonist is a primary opponent, adversary or enemy of one or more protagonists associated with a drama. Canon 2480. The word antagonist originates from ancient Greek word, antagonists, meaning opponent itself from, anti, meaning against and, agonists, meaning actor, competitor. Article 160. Deuteragonist. Canon 2481. A deuteragonist is a supporter or accomplice associated with either the protagonist or antagonist performing a secondary role concerning the drama, rather than a primary function as either a protagonist or antagonist themselves. Article 161. Plot. Canon 2482. A plot is the general course of the story of a drama, including significant occurrences that determine its course or significant patterns of occurrences. Article 162 Motive Canon 2483 Motive is the existence of a clear and definable intention previous possessed by an actor capable of being connected to a resulting act such that the intention may be claimed as the cause of the action and the action considered the form or proof. Canon 2484 A drama is incomplete without the motive of the protagonist being revealed.